Samsung's One User Interface 7 Beta has captured the attention of technology enthusiasts with its innovative features and refined design. But, as with any beta software, it has not arrived without its challenges. One particular issue that has sparked conversation is a peculiar bug in the lock screen blur engine. While the overall performance of this first public beta shows promise, this specific glitch has left many users questioning its implementation and awaiting a resolution in the upcoming updates. Renowned technology insider Ice Universe recently shed light on this problem, providing a detailed glimpse into the bug. The lock screen in One User Interface 7 comes with a sleek new navigation bar and elegant widgets combined with blur effects that are reminiscent of those in Apple's iOS version 18. However, these blur effects seem to lack proper optimization, especially when it comes to notifications on the lock screen. Instead of a smooth integration, users have reported a strange visual anomaly. Notifications appear as semi-transparent overlays resembling whitish cards that fail to deliver the intended blur effect. This lack of definition causes notifications to blend awkwardly into the background wallpaper, disrupting the polished look and feel that Samsung likely intended. Another area that has caught users' attention is the app opening animation. Ice Universe demonstrated this issue in a recent video, comparing the current animation present in version XKZ of the beta with an alternative animation that was tested internally. The existing animation involves icons abruptly shifting into a rigid shape before expanding to fill the screen. The movement feels mechanical and lacks the smoothness users expect from a high-end operating system. By contrast, the alternative animation, referred to internally as XScan, offers a far superior experience. This animation features a graceful unfolding motion with a deceleration effect toward the end, mimicking the natural dynamics of real-world physics. Its fluidity and elegance make it a standout choice, reminiscent of the animations seen in Apple's software. Despite this, Samsung opted not to implement the XScan animation in the current beta release, which has left many users puzzled. The decision to stick with a less polished animation detracts from the overall experience of the beta and feels like a missed opportunity to elevate the software's design. However, there is still a chance for change. Samsung has a reputation for listening to user feedback and making adjustments based on widespread input. Many users, including Ice Universe, have encouraged others to provide detailed feedback to Samsung, advocating for the inclusion of the XScan animation in future updates. While these issues have caused some disappointment, there is optimism that Samsung will address them in subsequent beta releases. Historically, the company has been proactive in resolving bugs and refining its software based on user reports. The second beta firmware is expected to tackle the lock screen blur bug and may also revisit the app opening animation if enough feedback is received. These updates are crucial for ensuring that One User Interface 7 delivers a polished and user-friendly experience upon its final release. In the meantime, those who have tried the beta have been sharing their thoughts and experiences, highlighting both its strengths and areas needing improvement. The introduction of sleek widgets, updated navigation, and other visual enhancements has been widely praised. Yet it is clear that Samsung has some fine-tuning to do before rolling out the final version. It will be interesting to see how the company balances user input with its design vision to deliver a software update that meets expectations. For now, the One User Interface 7 Beta represents a step forward, albeit with room for improvement. It offers a glimpse into Samsung's vision for the future, combining aesthetic changes with functionality. With further refinements, this update has the potential to enhance the user experience significantly and cement Samsung's position as a leader in the mobile software space. Feedback from early adopters will be key to shaping the final version, and it is exciting to imagine what the completed update might bring. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Samsung's Galaxy S25 Ultra is one of the most highly anticipated flagship smartphones of 2025. With its expected release just a few months away, this device promises to refine Samsung's already stellar reputation in the world of premium Android smartphones. In today's video, we'll dive deep into everything we know so far about the Galaxy S25 Ultra, from its release date expectations and price estimates to design changes, hardware upgrades, and much more. So stick around as we explore why this device could be a game changer in the smartphone world. Samsung is expected to unveil the Galaxy S25 Ultra in early 2025, likely in January or February. The company has a consistent track record of launching its flagship series at the beginning of the year, and this trend seems to continue. Rumors suggest that the Unpacked event for the Galaxy S25 series could occur on January 22, 2025, which aligns with Samsung's past patterns. This date makes sense as it allows the brand to capitalize on post-holiday enthusiasm while steering clear of the CES 2025 event, which runs from January 7 to 11. If this timeline holds, the device could hit store shelves by the first week of February. However, there's another twist in the story. A rumored new addition, the Galaxy S25 Slim, might join the lineup. This ultra-thin model could either launch alongside the S25 Ultra or arrive later in April or May. Pricing for the Galaxy S25 Ultra is another hot topic. The Galaxy S24 Ultra saw a price hike earlier this year, but will Samsung dare to increase prices again? Reports suggest the 256GB base model of the Galaxy S25 Ultra could start at $1,299 with the 512GB and 1TB options priced at $1,419 and $1,659 respectively. These are the same prices as the current S24 Ultra lineup, but there's a catch. If Samsung faces challenges with its 3M production yields, this could drive up costs, potentially affecting the final price. Fortunately, Samsung typically offers multiple ways to save. Expect trade-in deals and carrier discounts to make upgrading more affordable. For instance, current offers like Verizon's $800 discount with specific plans or Samsung's trade-in credits up to $750 could extend to the S25 Ultra. So if you're planning to upgrade, keep an eye out for these deals. Now let's talk about design. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to maintain its premium titanium frame, first introduced with the Galaxy S24 Ultra. However, there's a significant tweak: rounded edges. This design shift is expected to give the S25 Ultra a sleeker, more ergonomic feel, reminiscent of the iconic Galaxy Note series. Leaked renders also hint at a rounded back with a straighter front, creating a subtle asymmetry for a fresh look. The dimensions are expected to measure 162.82 x 77.65 x 8.25 millimeters, making it slightly thinner and narrower, but a touch taller than its predecessor. Additionally, the phone will feature Corning's glare-free glass, further enhancing its durability and aesthetics. When it comes to color options, leaks point to 4 stunning shades: titanium black, titanium blue, titanium gray, titanium silver. Each color exudes elegance and continues Samsung's tradition of offering premium finishes. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is likely to retain its 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X panel, which has become a hallmark of Samsung's flagship series. This display will likely support a 1 to 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate, ensuring buttery smooth visuals whether you're gaming or scrolling. One area where we hope to see an improvement is maximum brightness. Samsung could enhance outdoor visibility by boosting the peak brightness beyond the current standards. This would be a welcome upgrade for users who frequently use their phones in bright environments. Cameras are always a highlight of Samsung's Ultra models, and the Galaxy S25 Ultra is no exception. According to trusted leaks, the device will feature a quad-camera setup with the following specifications: 200-megapixel primary sensor, Samsung ISOCELL HP2, 10-megapixel telephoto camera, 3x optical zoom, 50-megapixel periscope telephoto lens, 5x optical zoom, 50-megapixel ultra-wide sensor, Samsung ISOCELL JN3. While the primary telephoto and periscope lenses appear unchanged from the S24 Ultra, the new 50-megapixel ultra-wide sensor promises significant improvements. The addition of this sensor is expected to enhance wide-angle photography and low-light performance. Eye-driven enhancements will also play a crucial role. Samsung has been investing heavily in artificial intelligence for its camera systems, and we anticipate further improvements in image stabilization, portrait modes, and night photography. Under the hood, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to feature Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, promising lightning-fast performance. This chip will likely be paired with 12 GB of RAM in the base model, with a 16 GB RAM variant also rumored. In terms of storage, the S25 Ultra might debut Samsung's latest UFS 4.0 4-lane storage technology, offering nearly 8 GB/sec speeds, doubling the performance of current UFS 4.0 standards. This upgrade will significantly enhance app loading times, multitasking, and overall efficiency. Battery performance is another crucial factor. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to pack a 5,000 mAh battery similar to its predecessor. While a larger battery isn't likely due to space constraints, Samsung could improve battery optimization for longer usage. Charging speeds, however, remain a question mark. While the device is rumored to stick with 45-watt wired charging, we're hopeful for faster charging technology to compete with other brands offering 100-watt or higher speeds. On the software side, the Galaxy S25 Ultra will likely launch with One UI 7.1 based on Android 15. This iteration of One UI is expected to bring new customization options, improved multitasking features, and tighter Galaxy AI integration. Samsung's focus on privacy and security will also take center stage, ensuring users have greater control over their data. Expect enhancements like better app permissions, on-device AI processing, and secure file sharing. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is shaping up to be an impressive device, combining top-tier hardware, refined design, and cutting-edge software. If you're currently using an older model like the Galaxy S22 or S23, the S25 Ultra could be a worthy upgrade. However, if you already own the S24 Ultra, the differences may not be groundbreaking enough to warrant a switch unless you're drawn to specific features like the new ultra-wide camera or the sleek, rounded design. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra represents the pinnacle of what Samsung aims to achieve in smartphone innovation. With its refined design, improved camera systems, and powerful hardware, this device is set to compete with the best in the industry. Are you excited about the Galaxy S25 Ultra? Let us know in the comments below, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the latest smartphones. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.